Good morning. Magandang umaga. Parang gutom. Nakakain na kayo? Good morning. Future journalist. Ang namin nyo pala. Una sa lahat, let me give thanks sa Department
Manager. His quest for knowledge didn't end there. While working, he pursued a Juris Doctor degree at Southwestern University, balancing his professional responsibilities with academic ambitions. This dedication to learning and professional growth led to roles as a college professor at the university.
I was once a student like you. Before, hindi ko talaga akalain na mapupunta ako sa ganitong klase na trabaho. Because my first dream talaga, gusto ko na maging seaman. Kasi nung araw, sa Latgas Kahirapan, malaki ang yung mga kapitbahay namin ng mga seaman, talagang agagara, lalaki ng bahay. So gusto ko mag-seaman. There was this event in my life na nagbibigay talaga sa akin ng maraming opportunities. November 1, 2006, ako at yung cousin ko, nakakita kami ng isang bag, may laman almost 150,000 pesos in cash. Yung bag na yun, please, do not compromise truth in delivering news report. Hindi talaga natin pwedeng i-compromise because our integrity, our credibility, masisira kapag i-compromise natin yung truth or exact facts ng balita. So, I know, nowadays, nagbi-blend kasi si radio at ang social media. In doing so, please do not compromise vital facts and the truth. Dapat nandyan. Yung entertainment kasi, ganito kasi yan. Most of the broadcaster ngayon tend to blend with social media kasi nung una, akala namin, mamamatay talaga sa radio. Hindi ganun ang nangyari. Based on research, the advent of social media, it poses a risk to the existence of radio. Pero nauna si newspaper.